Hello everybody, and well, happy winter. Yeah, we have snow. Yep, snow. That's okay. A couple of these are snowy related, so it's perfect. Snow for snow, snow on snow, whatever. Okay, anyhow, thank you. This came to me from PaintSomeWay to show you. I picked out a few things from PaintSomeWay. I will link them below and you can check them out. I got cute stuff. Are you ready? We're going to save this one till the end. Just because, no, let's just do it first. Let's do it first. Okay, let's slide these guys over here and we'll do this one first. It comes in its own little bag. All right, bag is empty. I'll put it back in the bag though so I don't lose anything. Or maybe I'll just put it all in this bag, maybe. Okay, comes with a toolkit with some plastic tweezers, which I don't need any of those. And it comes in this bag like this. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it in here and then I'll be able to see what it is and it'll all be in one place. All right, so this is called a tabletop decoration. That's what it's called, tabletop. So I thought it would be bigger. It's not, it's fairly small, but it comes with a base. Okay, you've got an acrylic base and your piece that will go right in there like such, right? And I'll sit right in the little base like that. Do, Merry Christmas. So it's really like, how big is this thing? From end to end, what is it, like 5 inches? 6, of course. Oh boy. Anyhow, it's one-sided. You do not drill the back. It's just the front side that gets drilled. It's just a little snowman. Look, it says Xmas over here. He's got an owl on his hat. How perfect. And a tree. Isn't it cute? Super cute. Set that on your desk as a little decoration as your, diamond painting or working. If you work, take it to work, put it on your desk. It would have been a perfect decoration for me to display at school on my desk, wouldn't it? Yeah. Now it'll just probably sit on my kitchen table or I'll set it somewhere in my house for Christmas probably. Anyhow, cute. You pull the plastic off. And it's special drills, so let's see what we get. It's been a morning already. It's like noon and I've been on a roll. It's after the long weekend, home with my hubby. Now he's back at work and I'm just like cutting loose, cutting loose. Typical Christmas colors, right? Got some black, have some amber, 2 shades of amber or what? Or are they any different? I don't know. And then some stars. These look pretty dusty. I don't know if it's the bags on the outside, the bags on the inside. I just don't know. But it's just a fun little project. It'll be a hoot. A hoot, right? He's got an owl on his hat. Hoot, hoot. I told you guys, there's no stopping me today. Just be prepared. Hope you're ready for the ride. That's all I got. I got Frosty the snowman, right? Isn't he cute? Oh my gosh, I love these with the, swirly things around the outside. Now, there are some that are full drill. There are some that are special drill. I'm not looking for doing the one with the full drill. No, that's not up my alley. But these special drill ones, super cute. Look at him. He's going to town with his birdhouse, man. Come on, my little buddies, let's go. He's heading to town. Bird on a stick. Oh, whew, sorry. I told you, hold on, hang on for the ride, folks, hang on. It's quite a day. Look, we start with number 2. All right, number 2. Do we have a number 1? We do. Where's number 1? I don't know. Oh, look, are you number 1? Did you just fall out and decide I'll come out and, yep, it's a pretty blue. Well, I'm glad you're here. Anyhow, clear, purples, blues. Look, white AB. Yay. White AB, some yellow, and then here's our specials. Some red, smooth, pearly things, and some beautiful, actually beautiful blue iridescent teardrops. Those are gorgeous. All the way around the outside edge. Yes. Doom, 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 doom. Yay. Love it. Love it. Frosty's a cutie, isn't he? Frosty's a cutie. Okay, the next thing combines my love of 2 things. My love of 2 things. not the tool kits, but my love of owls and bubble rounds. Dun, dun, dun. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Isn't that adorable? There's several owls, you guys. There are several owls that have the bubble background and an owl in the center. Christopher, do you have this one? I haven't seen it yet. Do you have it? Christopher and I would just keep going back and forth. He's like, I haven't seen Mindy unbox this one yet, but maybe she has. And I'm like, I have, but you haven't seen it yet. Anyhow, they're so much fun, right, Christopher? They're a blast. And this combines two of my loves. I love the bubble backgrounds and I love owls. So, and I got the cutest owl, the one I thought was the cutest anyhow. So the background's going to be 3 different sizes of the same color, and I believe it's blue. This has a blue background. And then your owl, all special shapes, rhinestones, things like that. Love it. Love it. Let's see what we get. Let's look at them. This is an unboxing of all things Mindy loves, really. We have owls. Well, not all things. Most of the things I love. There are no gnomes. There's no quilling. But, you know, we're hitting pretty much all cylinders here. Okay. Look at the colors. That's black resin. Pink. Ooh, look at that teal. That's pretty. An orange, a blue, a pink. Oh, this is those iridescent. They're not clear. They're not just the plain clear rhinestones, but they're like this iridescent. They're gorgeous. I've yet to put these on a painting. I've gotten them several times, and none of the paintings I've worked on have them. Oh, a brownish color, brown rhinestone, golden yellow. Then look, we have pink marquee. We have my little snowflakes in a silver. Say what? Step back a minute. I have never gotten them in silver. Okay, that's great. I have them in all kinds of colors. Pink, blue, white, yellow. I've never had silver. That's amazing. Iridescent marquees, purple marquees, pink hearts, and here's our background. We have 2 bags of the small blue rhinestones, 1 of the medium blue, and 1 of the large blue. That's our bubbles. Bubble, bubble, toil and trouble. There we go. Isn't it gonna be cute? Oh my gosh, so cute. I love it. I didn't get all the owls. I might someday. I might end up with all of them. But for now, I held it to this one. Okay? All right, last one. Another one of Mindy's loves. Like I said, we were clicking on all the cylinders with this order. There you go. Not only does it have a red truck, it has a snowman. We got another snowman. We got the, see? Owl, snowman, red trucks, cardinals, birds. What, you know? Seriously. Isn't that cute? For a 30 by 40, which is actually, you know, probably 25 by 35, that actually looks really good. I hope the snowman turns out because he's really the same colors as the background around him. So I hope he shows up. On this side, he does have more of the J's, which is going to be a little darker color. But over here, it's just pretty much the background. The only thing that's going to distinguish him is his buttons and a couple of J's. I don't know. I hope he shows up pretty good. Look, he's got a bird on his head. There's a bird on the truck. This really looks really good. It has a border around the outside, which I like, with the holly leaves on all the corners. We got gifts. It's cute. Isn't it cute? It's got 23 colors. Got a legend on both sides. All the DMC codes are there. I loved this one. There was another one that came with this that was also a red truck in the snow. I had to choose one, you know. I chose one with the snowman. Yeah. I think the other one might have had a dog or something. I don't know. But I got this one. And here are the fantastic colors. Round drills. We're starting backwards, folks. Backwards. Some brown, blue, and there's white for our snow. Yep. Then we have, sure we do. We're just going backwards. You don't need to see the numbers. You gotta see the colors. Red, 2 bags of the same one. Yep, 2. Lots of red. And red, more red over here. Some olive gray color, olive, orangey red, burgundy red, orange, lots of brownish colors, tans, gray, blue. There you go. Those are our colors. So what do you think? Did this not knock it out of the park, right? We have owls, red trucks, and snowmen. Okay, like I said, this was a good little ordering on my part, right? Okay, thanks for watching, everybody. I will link these below. How cute are those? Okay, if you're wondering if these are going to make it into my giveaway pile, no, sorry, not these. Anyhow, thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed. If you're new here and you had any fun, consider clicking the subscribe button and come back for more fun, because there are days when I'm just like this, and you can't stop it. It just, yeah. Anyhow, if you share a video, how that's cool. If you share a video, I shared somebody's video the other day. That's interesting. Anyhow, just a random thought. You guys just watch and do what you do, and like and subscribe and comment, and I'll keep putting out videos. How's that? We have a good relationship. All right. I will talk to everybody soon. I'm going to clean up my mess. All right. See you soon, everybody.